Hello, this video will show you how to do an append in Power Query. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So here are the files that I would like to put together using Power Query. There is a total of 5 files here. They're all CSV files, and they each contain information about diabetes prevalence in the United States. This information is provided at the county level, so the records here will be the individual counties. Okay, so inside of Excel, I'm going to say data and then get data here. This is actually CSV files, so I can say from text or CSV. I'm going to import the Asian file first, so let's go ahead and do that. Here's the Power Query window that comes up. The delimiter is comma there. You can see that this is in a nice clean format for me. It does have the field names here, nicely identified. So I don't need to transform this data. I can just simply load it because it's clean here and ready to go. So let's load that one. You can see that there are about 1,500 rows here. Some counties have not enough Asians to be able to adequately measure the prevalence, so those counties are excluded. So that's why there are 1,570 rows. There's actually about a little over 3,000 counties in the United States, so it appears that we don't have enough information on about half the counties to measure the diabetes prevalence of Asians. Now we're going to load in African Americans, so let's go data, from text, grab that file. And similarly to the Asians, this should be fairly clean, so we can just say load. And now I need to do that with the 3 remaining files. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here and just load those 3 remaining. Okay, so now you can see that I have the 5 files that I wanted to append together here all loaded in Power Query. And the next step then is going to append those files together. Again, in the append process, we want to make sure that the field names match across these files, data files that I'm going to append together. And indeed, those field names are all the same across each of those. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the append process. I'm going to say data, get data, and then down here in the bottom where I have combine queries. Okay. Oh, let's go get combined queries there. I either have merge or append. So append means I want to stack the data one on top of another. The merge is when I would take one data set and take maybe information from another data set and move it alongside my existing data. We'll talk about merge in module 2. So I want to append these files. And when I do this, it's going to ask me, do you want to just append 2 tables? I'm going to want to append 3 or more tables. So let's get a clean slate over here on the right side. And these are my tables that I would like to append together. And I want all 5 of these tables to be appended together. So I'm going to need to place all 5 of those data tables over on the right side there. Okay, now I should be able to say OK here, and that will go through the process of taking each of these files and placing one on top of on another. So before returning the data, it's going to give me information here or appear in my Power Query editor. And one thing that I'm going to want to do is just check that indeed the information has been stacked one on top of another. And I can do that by looking at the race here. Now it appears that Asian Pacific Islander, okay, because that's the first table. What the Power Query editor is going to do here is just show you the first, looks like 1,000 rows so you can see what's going on. There's actually many more than that because I've stacked these ethnicities on top of one another. To see those additional rows, I can just from my drop-down menu here, okay, Looks like it's only Pacific Islander, but that is again because my list has not been completely loaded. So if I say load more here, then you can see that I have Asian, Black, Hispanic, other, and white here. Okay, so if we want to check out maybe the Hispanic data, I can do that, and we can indeed see that that data is contained later or lower down in my data table here. So let's go select all again. Okay. Now, when you're ready to put this data into an actual data table, I'm going to want to say close and load up here in the upper left corner. And that will indeed take all of that information and append it into one table. Okay, we're going to want to change the name of that sheet in the lower right corner here. So let's rename that. Select rename here. I can change that to all races maybe. And now I'm ready to summarize this data that contains all of the races. Again, you can check here, this O column contains that. And if we go real far down in that data table, you can see that I have information on the whites. Further up the table a little bit, I have information about other, etc. So you can see over here that I got, I don't know what it was, roughly 10,000, 11,000 data rows or records in this particular table. Okay, then that does it on appending data using Power Query. Thank you and have a good day.